started.
All right. Hey, everyone. My name is Ethan Berg. I am a recent graduate actually of Temple University. I have a ton of friends that went to Delaware. And I'm the founder and CEO of Agora World. Our goal is to democratize immersive and 3D technology. So right now we live in a time where many of us have connections, friends, colleagues from all around the world, right? We use video chat, we call, we text, we play video games with one another, and we connect on social media, but there's not really any real world experience you can share. Something that's immersive and allows you to make memories, something that allows you to have that social interaction, the ability to talk and laugh, feel like you're together. And the thing is that in-person experiences create a connection and a bond between people that cannot exist online. And our team has asked, why is that? So when we look 5 years into the future, what we envision is widespread adoption and use of experiential websites. These sites are going to transform the way that we experience the internet by being immersive, feels like you're there, social, so you'll see other people there at the same time as yourself, and fully customizable to your needs. So at the core of our proprietary technology, what we're doing is democratizing 3D social technology by making these immersive shared experiences simple to create, discover, and share. When it comes to creating a world, we've developed no-code customization tools that require no more technical skill than is needed to create a Facebook profile, right? So it's 25 times less time to create one of these environments. When it comes to developers, it's a 6-month process right now to build the no-code customization tools, a spatial audio system, echo cancellation, text chat, avatar, and more. And we've developed an SDK that they can tap into with a license that will turn it into a 15-minute process. I have no coding capabilities. I don't have any coding background, and I'm able to utilize that and do it in under a half hour. And when it comes to the creation side, the customization of these worlds, it's a simple step-by-step process that includes no more than a Facebook profile, as I mentioned. So you select the type of experience. I want to have a gallery, retail store, classroom, a mall, right? Then you select a world theme and plugin that's available from our developers. So our community gets to offer these. It could be underwater, it could be on Mars, it could be in a typical hall. Then you customize it by selecting slots based on a template. So slot A, you put an image. Slot 5, you put a 3D product, et cetera, et cetera. You tag it, press save, and then it puts it in the world for you automatically. When it comes to discovery, one thing that we make it easy to do is discover and explore these worlds together, just like you'd explore a city when you're in person. So our tools that we're creating allow you to explore only 3D experiences. Right now, on Google, if you take any of the social search engines, what you're able to find are the software providers for these technologies, but not the actual immersive experiences that are currently available. So we're looking to change that and interconnect the metaverse. And the last thing that we do is we make it simple and fun to share these real world experiences. So it's really easy to use with your computer arrow keys and your mouse directly on your Mac and Windows computers. And it's simple to share. You send a URL, click on it, it will prompt you to open the app and it will immerse you in an experience like no other. So all of these experiences simulate real life. So they're immersive, they're social, and they give you the opportunity to share a moment with other people in real time and have that interaction with spatial audio. So the closer you get, the louder they are, further away you get, the quieter they'll become. And from there, you get to interact with all of these different worlds. So today, we've held a lot of different experiences. We've held art galleries, we've held happy hours, holiday events, a networking and education session on Mars, actually, and upcoming events, things that we actually just did, include Philly Tech Weeks, opening event, and a career fair in March. We had about 250 people that were there, and they spent an average of 1 hour and 42 minutes in the space. Upcoming events include the Delaware Entrepreneurial Summit. We're going to be running the virtual portion of that conference, and 2 days of events at the BPHL Innovation Festival run by IBX. So our pipeline exceeds about $500,000. We're finalizing deals with all of these universities right now. We actually just signed our first one yesterday in order to run classes on our platform in the spring. We have partners that are helping us build these interactions, make sure that we're really building a bigger community. And so far, they've absolutely loved it. Everyone's engaged, immersed, and they've been able to find jobs solely to the fluid networking we offer. Right now, we're targeting 3 different areas: events, schools, and businesses that are looking to be diverse and innovative, technologically advanced. All of these markets are currently geographically limited, right? So for all of those that are in Delaware, all those businesses that are somewhat limited to a certain area, they'll be able to break this barrier, extending the potential reach, building bigger communities, and increasing sales. These substantial markets that we're displaying here and all these use cases do not include many different areas we're getting into, which is real estate, retail, museums, and more. The way we're getting to them is through direct sales. As I said, we have a partner network. All those that come to experience it always come back through that network effect and some inbound marketing. The way that we make money is by offering a subscription package based on how large of a community you have. So the bigger the community, the more it's going to cost you on a regular basis. Other ways we make money is custom development. We have some transaction fees through a payment gateway, microtransactions with digital merchandise, SEO from our search engine, and so much more. And we expect this to grow about 100-fold within the next 3 years. We really anticipate that this is going to scale and grow at a very fast pace as we're looking to really build the future. Right now, we're in our public beta, so we're about to finish this up really quickly and move into our public release and get really, really close to extending that catalog that we want to offer our partnership ecosystem, and then extend the accessibility of it to other devices so it's easier for everyone to get to. And that will lead us directly to just making this more realistic and more interconnected with the real world. And none of it would be possible without our team. So you've got myself as the CEO. I have business experience in marketing, but I have not done any development. So I build this platform for the user that doesn't have coding background. And Sky is a wizard. He's literally unbelievable. He's our CTO, and he's been building apps for years. He's doing training. He writes curriculums for universities, and so much more. And our advisors are fit for this. They really guide us in the right direction. We've been involved in a ton of programs, and we work with the top-notch professionals. Thank you very much for your time.